Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. So for this example, we're told that two digits are picked from the set containing the digits 0, 1, 2, all the way up to 9, with replacement to form a number. And we're asked to determine how many two-digit numbers start with an odd digit. Let's first start by listing all of the odd digits in the set. So we see that there are 5 odd digits, and these digits include 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. From here, to find the number of two-digit numbers that start with an odd digit, we want to find the number of digits that start with either 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Now, since we are choosing the digits with replacement, then each digit can be used more than once. And since we have a total of 10 digits to choose from, then we can pick any of the 10 digits as the second digit. So there are 10 two-digit numbers that start with each of the odd digits. And thus, by the additive principle, there are 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 5 times 10, which is equal to 50 outcomes. So that gives us the number of two-digit numbers that start with an odd digit. So therefore, 50 two-digit numbers start with an odd digit. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.